Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace camera glass, as you can see on right here on LG Q6. So all you have to do, remove the back glass first, back cover. So you just need to hit it up and I'll show you how to remove it. Okay, once you hit it up enough, you can use a piece of razor or knife, something, just to get under one of the edges, so you can lift it up a little bit. And once you lift it up, keep it up, and then use something plastic to go around the edges to remove the rest of it, adhesive, so you can go all the way around. Okay, it came off, and there's gonna be adhesive in the middle of the phone, so you just need to pull on it, or you can add some heat gun, just heat it up a little bit. I'm just gonna remove it like that without heating up, so there's more adhesive in the back. So here's your camera glass right here. It's really easy. If you push on it, it'll come out. As you can see, it just came out, and then you can get a new one and stick it back in. It's really easy, and replace it for a new one. Super easy. It will take you about like a couple minutes, and you can replace this whole thing and install back in. Add some glue if you need it, if it's loose, the back glass. Thanks for watching and enjoy your phone. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, thumbs up, and bye bye.